Forget Botox. I just reversed years of aging with nothing but my hands, and it only takes 8 minutes a day. The beauty industry makes billions selling creams, serums, and injections that promise youth, but never deliver lasting results. What if the real anti-aging secret doesn't come from a bottle, but from you? From the 40-plus muscles sitting quietly under your skin right now, waiting to be woken up. Face yoga is not a trend. It's a biological reset button. When you train your facial muscles, you're not just toning your skin. You're stimulating blood flow, boosting collagen, and reactivating the same youthful muscle tone that time slowly stole from you. Before we get into the routine, here's something important. Real transformation starts from the inside, too. That's why our channel, the Ageless Protocol, is giving an exclusive discount on advanced longevity supplements designed to support skin elasticity, boost collagen, and fight cellular aging from within. Check the link in the description before it expires. This deal won't last. Now let's get real about your face. The truth about facial aging. No, it's not just wrinkles. Most people think wrinkles are just from age, but that's wrong. Wrinkles, sagging, and dull skin are symptoms of weak facial muscles and poor circulation. When those muscles lose strength, your skin collapses over them. Blood flow slows down, oxygen drops, and collagen production grinds to a halt. Think of your face like a house. The muscles are the foundation. The skin is the paint. You can keep repainting forever, but if the foundation weakens, the cracks will return and worsen each time. That's why face yoga matters. It doesn't treat symptoms, it fixes the foundation. And it only takes 8 minutes a day. Step 1. Neck and jaw sculpting. The real double chin killer. We start with the neck because gravity starts there. This move tones the area under your chin, tightens your jawline, and smooths out sagging. Push your chin forward slightly and bring your top teeth behind your bottom teeth, like a small underbite. Keep your spine straight. Now slowly lift your chin toward the ceiling, hold for 2 seconds, and come back down. Do this 10 times. You'll feel the stretch right under your jaw. That burn? That's your face waking up. This simple move helps drain excess fluid, boosts blood flow, and tightens the skin around your neck, an area most people forget until it's too late. Step 2. The lip plumper. No fillers needed. If your lips are thinning with age, this one's your fix. It strengthens the orbicularis oris muscle around your mouth and rebuilds collagen that keeps your lips full. Purse your lips tightly, like you're trying to drink through an invisible straw. Push them forward as far as possible. Hold for 10 seconds, relax, and repeat 3 times. This move increases circulation and firms the area around your lips, a common spot for fine lines. Over time, you'll notice smoother skin and naturally plumper lips. Step 3. The cheek sculptor. Your natural face lift. Forget cheek fillers. This exercise builds real cheek muscle volume, the kind that lifts your entire mid-face. Form an O shape with your mouth, long and wide. Now pull the insides of your cheeks inward, like you're trying to kiss them together. Hold for 10 seconds, relax, and repeat 3 times. It might look silly, but the effect is powerful. This strengthens your zygomatic muscles, the ones responsible for your cheek lift and facial definition. After a few sessions, you'll notice your face looks tighter, more awake, and less tired. The science behind the glow. Here's what's happening under your skin while you do this. Every time you contract and release those muscles, you push fresh oxygen and nutrients into your skin cells. That reactivates collagen production, the protein that keeps your skin smooth and firm. Studies from Northwestern Medicine proved it. After 20 weeks of consistent face yoga, participants looked 3 years younger on average. Their cheeks were fuller, their skin tighter, and their overall facial volume improved without surgery or injections. When you reawaken your facial muscles, you reverse years of stagnation. But we're just getting started. You've toned your neck, plumped your lips, and lifted your cheeks. Now it's time to tackle the real problem zones, the eyes and forehead, where aging screams the loudest. Step 4. The eye tightener. Goodbye, crow's feet. Let's start by strengthening the muscles just under your eyes. These are tiny but powerful. When they weaken, your skin sags and fine lines deepen. Keep your face still and relaxed. Gently squint your lower eyelids upward, as if you're trying to lift them halfway over your eyeball. Don't wrinkle your forehead or frown. Keep everything else still. Hold for 5 seconds, then relax. Repeat 10 times. You'll feel a subtle tension right under your eyes. That's the muscle firming and toning. Do this daily, and those crow's feet will start to fade as your skin tightens from underneath, naturally. For extra benefit, this move also helps boost lymphatic drainage under the eyes, reducing puffiness and dark circles. Step 5. The forehead lifter. Erase the frown lines. Let's tackle the forehead, the canvas of every stress, worry, and late-night phone scroll. You can't stop life, but you can stop those deep 11 lines from taking over your face. Place one hand firmly across your forehead. Try to raise your eyebrows upward while your hand resists, like a gentle tug of war. Hold for 10 seconds, relax, and repeat 3 times. This works by strengthening the frontalis muscle, the main muscle across your forehead that supports the upper face. Over time, this resistance move retrains the muscle to stay firm without creating new lines. The trick is tension without expression. You're working the muscles under the skin, not wrinkling the surface. If you do this right, your forehead becomes smoother while your upper face subtly lifts. It's one of the most powerful anti-aging moves in face yoga, and it takes less than a minute. Step 6. The brow press, your mini eye lift. If your eyelids are starting to droop or your eyes look tired, this next move gives you that awake look instantly. Place your index fingers just under your eyebrows. Gently push the brows upward while you try to close your eyes. You'll feel resistance. Hold for 10 seconds. Relax, then repeat 3 times. This targets the levator and orbicularis muscles, the ones responsible for eyelid strength. It tones and firms that thin, delicate skin around the eyes, giving you a natural lift and reducing hooded lids. Many people notice visible tightening within 2 weeks of consistent practice, without any needles or lasers. The circulation secret. Every time you do these upper face movements, blood rushes to the skin. That means oxygen, nutrients, and collagen-building compounds flood your cells. This is why, after a good face yoga session, your skin literally glows. Your muscles act like pumps. When they contract, they send life back into your skin. No topical cream in the world can do that. If you combine these moves with hydration, good sleep, and collagen-boosting nutrients, your results multiply. You've now reawakened nearly every major muscle in your face, from your neck to your forehead. But we're not done yet. Next, we'll calm everything down and seal in the results using a series of relaxation and lymphatic drainage techniques that tighten, tone, and sculpt your final look. Step 7. The lymph drain, the instant depuffer. This one's magic for morning puffiness, water retention, and that "I didn't sleep enough" face. It helps move lymph, the body's detox fluid, out of your face so your features look tighter and more defined. Start at the sides of your nose. Using your fingertips, gently sweep outward across your cheeks toward your temples. Then glide down along your jawline toward your neck and collarbone. Do this slowly for 1 full minute. You should feel your skin warm slightly as circulation improves. This is how you flush out the toxins that dull your glow. If you do this daily, you'll notice less swelling, more contour, and a visible lift, especially around the jaw and cheeks. Step 8. The oxygen boost, cheek puffer technique. Now it's time to bring fresh oxygen back into those firmed-up muscles. This one's simple but insanely effective. Take a deep breath through your nose and fill your cheeks with air. Puff them out like a balloon. Tap gently on both cheeks while keeping the air inside. Hold for 5 seconds, then release. Repeat 3 times. This exercise strengthens your cheek walls while flooding the area with oxygen. That means instant glow, less dullness, and stronger muscles that resist sagging. Most people feel the difference right away, like your face just woke up. Step 9. The mental reset, wrinkle-free visualization. This final move is where mind meets muscle. It's about releasing unconscious tension, the hidden cause behind frown lines, clenched jaws, and drooping expressions. Close your eyes. Visualize every muscle of your face being gently pulled back toward the sides of your head. Imagine all your lines smoothing out, your skin tightening, and your face lifting upward. Hold that visualization for 10 slow breaths. Feel your face melting into relaxation. When you open your eyes, your expression will look calmer, softer, and naturally younger. That's muscle memory and neuromuscular connection. Your brain learns to stop sending stress signals to your face, meaning fewer lines in the long run. The science of stillness. This final stage matters as much as the workout itself. Studies show that consistent relaxation practices like facial visualization and lymph drainage reduce cortisol, the stress hormone that breaks down collagen. In other words, calm literally keeps you young. By now, your entire face has gone through a full toning circuit, 8 minutes of strength, stretch, and circulation. You've activated over 40 muscles and boosted blood flow in every layer of your skin. This is what makes face yoga different from every cream, mask, or device out there. You're not coating your skin. You're training it to stay alive. Results you can feel and see. After just a few sessions, you'll notice less puffiness, tighter cheeks, and a sharper jawline. Within weeks, fine lines soften. After a month, your skin starts to glow from the inside out. When you use your muscles, your skin follows. And the best part is you did it naturally, with nothing but your own hands and discipline. Remember, consistency is everything. 8 minutes a day is enough to build a face that defies gravity and time itself. Aging gracefully doesn't happen by accident. It happens when you decide to take control from the inside out. That's exactly why the Ageless protocol is offering viewers an exclusive discount. Check the link below before it's gone. If this video helped you, hit that subscribe button and join the Ageless community. We drop weekly videos revealing the truth about longevity, face training, and natural anti-aging that actually works.